Welcome to Tatum's Talk. What we talking out is, well, if you watched my last video, you know that I started a Turo business. Basically, I'm in this Facebook group, right? It's you know, you go there and you read and you ask questions, but if you just scroll through, you'll find that you can learn a lot just by commentary that other people have posted. So an episode unfolded where this guy car was missing. Okay, the guest had it. He was in communication with her. Then she just stopped communicating. She just like blocked him for a while. He didn't know what was going on. And we were coming back every couple of hours for an update, like what's going on? Oh my God, is he gonna get his car back? Where is she? What's happening? So I'm gonna show you that. And I'm gonna also show you what I have in place so that that doesn't happen to me. Please hit the like button. I know that a lot of people probably would hit it, but then you watch the video, you get to the end, and then you simply forget and you leave. Please hit it now.
Okay, so this is the scary scenario that will make you absolutely have to get a tracking device with a kill switch if you decide to do Turo or any other platform. So guess what's supposed to return car Mercedes at 2:30 this afternoon. It's 9:30, still no car. I have contacted Turo and started a late return. I've tried to contact the guest, so on and so forth, kept saying she was going to her way to drop it off at 3. Okay, goes on and on. He asked the group, this is a Turo group, how do I proceed? I was in contact with her for a few hours, and now she has blocked me. Okay, so let's enlarge these texts. She just has excuse after excuse. Sorry, my phone died. I didn't hear my alarm for returning the car. I'm a basket case right now, and I'm kind of freaking out. You're freaking out. Imagine what he's going through. I know it says 2:30. Is there any way to change it back to a later time? Because I didn't even get out of class today until 5:30. What the heck? What does you getting out of class got to do with anything? You knew the car was due back at 2:30. You should have took an early break from class that day, or you should have extended the car for another day. Can you request it through the app? He says to her. She says, I've been trying. He says, because you keep trying to do it after the trip ends. You have to rebook it again. Where's the car? No, I've been trying all night to extend for extra day and all morning. Cannot spell. But it just won't work. It said you denied my request. No, I never denied it or even received it. You also went over the miles. I need the vehicle returned ASAP or need to get it rebooked for another day. I'm trying to get a break from class so I can take care of all of this really quick. Bear with me. Okay, I will. You said that in the text. Are you coming? Yes, I'm leaving class now. Sorry, I tried to get out of class, but they made me stay. They made me stay. I'm really sorry. I'll pay for late fee and half a day extra, whatever it takes. I'm on my way. What's your ETA? My phone keeps dying, but it'll take me 45 minutes. Okay, I'm waiting. I need the car dropped off ASAP. You're in violation of Turo's terms of service. 3.5 hours late. Please bring it ASAP. This is going on for hours into the night. Where was I? Here. How far are you from my lot? Communication is key. I'm trying to pull up the maps. My phone is on 1%. It won't keep a charge. I need you to drop it off ASAP. No excuses. Yes, I understand. I'm waiting. I'm on the 17. How far are you? You're really stressing me out.
Oh, no, she didn't. Oh, no, this heifer didn't.
Did she just say, you stressing me out? What the hell? You the one didn't bring the car back. You the one that causing all the stress.
Can you please calm down? My phone keeps dying, and every time I text or pick up the phone, I have to pull over. I'm not trying to keep your car, sir. I have very bad anxiety. Please, I'll be there shortly. I apologize for my lack of responsibility, and I'm concerned with driving. On and on and on. Promises, promises. I'm driving that way. I need to plug my phone back in before it dies. I'm doing my best. This went on for hours, into the night even. By the time I found this post, it was already night. And this had been going on all day. It went on overnight. The next morning, probably like before midday, here's the update. Just got the Benz back myself. I went to the hotel she mentioned, and it was straight up abandoned there. I had a spare key with me and a buddy who was able to jump in and drive it away. He got it back. I don't think there was any damages. You know, people had been saying throughout, even I made a comment, did you have a tracker? Did you have a kill switch? He said he had done 98 trips, and this never happened before, and no, he did not have a tracker. Maybe he'll get one next after this incident. But yeah, this is why you want one. This right here probably would not happen but maybe once in 100 customers. But I'm just saying, I got it from the very beginning. You just need it for peace of mind. I'm going to show you my login to my device, my tracking device. So the company that you have the device from either will have a website or an app, and so you can track the vehicle there. And then once you see where it is, you just wait for them to stop driving. You wait for them to park, basically. And so when it's parked, then you want to kill switch that thing, right? You're gonna cut off the starter, and then you can now grab your main key and go to where it's parked, because they won't be able to start it up, so it's gonna be still there. You go there and then you retrieve the vehicle yourself. And I guess they will still have your spare key, but if they left something in the car, you can negotiate with them at that point or the next day or whatever. Hey, you want your stuff that was left in the car? Give me back my key, or whatever. You could get your key back, or it might just be beneficial to just get another one made. You will be glad that you had installed a tracking device. It definitely gives you peace of mind. Yeah, what we not gonna do is play them games, staying up all night and all that texting back and forth and asking when you're gonna bring it. Oh no, I know how to go and retrieve mine. Thank you very much. Right now, someone has the vehicle, and so I could track it simply by clicking on this one. I have two tracking devices, but the top one is not installed. This bottom one is. So I'm gonna click on this, and then you see it tells me where it is. You see, it says it's driving right now. And so this is not far from me. I'm supposed to pick up the car, meet him probably in less than a half hour. So it lets me know he's probably on his way to me now. So other information it gives, there's a lot of information, but for the most part, I can click on reports and it'll tell me, or better yet, you see this right here in the corner, this little exclamation point. When I click this and then I select the different alerts, I could tell you one that really drove me crazy is this tow alert. So I only have it set for maximum speed and the tow alert. I have the speed set at 75, so I get alerts constantly when people go just a little bit above 75. I guess people drive, I don't really go above 70. To me, 75 is fast, but apparently a lot of people do drive that fast. But I have tow alerts here, and this has happened, look at how many times. And it's ridiculous because the first time it happened, I was losing my mind. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? The car got towed, how did that happen? But it didn't get towed. There's a fault, something is faulty. I'm not sure if it's with the device or it's with the installation. The guy just came out last week and he reinstalled it again and it's still doing it. So now I have to still troubleshoot it with them. I think I'm just gonna switch it to the other device that I'm not using. Oh, but wait, how I knew that it wasn't an actual tow was that I just checked it again. So I went back to the dashboard, not here, and I just, I clicked on the vehicle after a certain amount of time, and then it showed me right away that it was driving again. Right now, it's moving. So then I would see something like this, and I would be like, okay, so it's not towed, and that's how I knew it was an error message. Oh, and I had called the customer and inquired, like, hey, is everything okay with the car? Because I just got an alert, says it was towed. He was like, nah, I'm looking right at it. I just parked it. Everything is cool. I'm taking good care of it. So I was like, okay, that's how I knew too, to just double check the site again. Also, you can disable the starter right here. You could disable the device right here. Coming back to this Turo group and watching this conversation play out, it was episodic. It was like coming back for waiting for your TV show to drop every week. It was like, what's gonna happen next? Is he gonna get the car back? Did he find out? Why did she do it? So it turned out her boyfriend took the car, and that she didn't have access to the car. I don't know for how long, but at some point she mentioned that to him and said, you know, she kept referring to he took the car, he didn't bring it back yet. And so that's when he found out that her boyfriend had the car. And then you saw the part where it was abandoned and then he got it back. But it was pretty dramatic. It was pretty dramatic.